Alright, Underdog ManCave. I was just noticing something in shipping. This screw got broke off. A little bit, looks like it's off center a little bit here, but the brace I think did the job. I took these out and I took this one out, but this one has been broke off. I think once I remove the plate I can get that out of there, but nah, I'm not happy about that. But I think the brace actually did the job, and the screw popped. Somebody dropped it, and that's why they do this. This is why you get these braces on each side, to protect the unit so that it makes it to you alive. Alright, Underdog ManCave, quick update there on my 15 kilowatt 9.0 power jack inverter.